a reliable company leading creative product development with integrity and a challenging spirit, Allspawn. Right now, Allspawn is doing its best to improve the health of city dwellers. Allspawn has been doing its best to improve the health of city dwellers. Founded in 2008, Allspawn has developed, manufactured, and distributed medical devices that help the home healthcare of families, including electrostatic potential therapy equipment, ion water purifiers, and water oxygenizers. Based on its excellent technologies, the quality of its products have been acknowledged by customers, helping the company to succeed. Allspawn achieved FCC, CE, CV certifications for its ion water purifier, and in January 2010 received FCC certifications for its water oxygenizers, as well as ISO 13485 CE and CV for electrostatic potential therapy equipment, confirming the quality and safety of our products. On the strength of these successes, Allspawn is taking further steps to care for the health of the public, not only in Korea but also around the world. Allspawn has always pursued the best value with a creative spirit. Of the product Allspawn has developed that aim to improve the health of city dwellers, we will focus on electrostatic potential therapy equipment, Allspawn's technology-intensive flagship products. In the 18th century, Benjamin Franklin discovered the significant electrical phenomena that occurred between the Earth's surface and space. Potential therapy uses the potential energy of electricity and applies some of this potential to a human body against zero potential in nature. It was applied first to treatment, and following a long period of research and development, is now being applied to specialized therapies in various areas. Potential therapy is a form of physiotherapy that loads high currents to the isolated human body, generates an electrical field around the body, and helps the body maintain its own homeostasis. Computer simulations of the results of the use of potential therapy have shown that the electric field spread around the surrounding space also acts on the human body's surface. Potential therapy's effectiveness has been verified many times by journals at home and abroad, and in the clinical trials of physical education papers. According to the Korean Society of Sports Science, and in particular 2 journal articles on potential therapy, an article by Professor Lee Myeon-young, Deokseong Women's University, and an article by Professor Choi Sung-wook, Seongshin Women's University, it was found that the therapy had 78% effectiveness in treating hypertension, gastritis, and hyperacidity, and that applying an electric current increased serum calcium ion and inclined the body towards alkalinity, showing that the potential therapy acted effectively on the human body. At a workshop on the use of electrostatic potential therapy equipment in Dongseol Hospital in 2006, it was verified that potential therapy was effective in treating diseases. Electrostatic potential therapy equipment has also been installed and used in many other hospitals, as well as the Seongshin Women's University's Family Health and Welfare Center and MBC's rooms for TV talents and Christians. On the other hand, the medical department of Toshi University, Japan, found that calcium ions in the blood were significantly increased after the use of the equipment, verifying that it helped blood to maintain a weak alkalinity, and the Veterinary School of Iwate University, Japan, conducted electric field therapy of the potential equipment on feline-acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS, for 14 days, releasing the results that through experimental data on lymphocyte activating, cells became younger and more active. In addition, when the potential therapy was administered to hypertension patients, their blood pressure was lowered. The hospital also found that the therapy was helpful in relieving the symptoms of chronically ill patients. Through various studies of potential therapy, its safety and therapeutic efficiency have been proven. Electrostatic potential therapy equipment has received unique certifications in the treatment of 4 symptoms: headache, shoulder stiffness, insomnia, and chronic constipation from the Japanese Ministry of Health, Labor, and Welfare. Through clinical trials on its use to treat many other diseases, its effectiveness has been proven and experiments are ongoing. In addition, research on its safety has been conducted from various angles. Through 2 safety experiments based on GLP, the strict management standard used for developing medical supplies, Osborne's electrostatic potential therapy equipment has been proven safe. The first experiment was a toxicity test. The electric field of 10,000 volt was applied to 24 female and male rats every 15 minutes for a day and for 13 weeks, after which rats were compared with a control group to analyze the biological and medical differences. The analysis showed that there was no toxic impact on the group. The second experiment was a first-generation reproductive toxicity test. By using 58 female and male rats, the electric field of 10,000 volt was applied to them for 15 minutes a day before breeding, in pregnancy, and in the nursing period. The analysis on the effect on parents' reproduction ability and their children's development showed that there was no difference with the control group not applied to the electric field, and that there was also no toxic impact. Through such rigorous testing, Osborne's electrostatic potential therapy equipment has been approved by the Korea Food and Drug Administration of the Ministry of Health and Welfare for use by men and women of all ages. Osborne's electrostatic potential therapy equipment boasting superior efficacy and safety. The Promise 12,000 makes it possible to check treatment status through its unique design. Its 12 output patterns, 3 automatic mode output patterns, and sleep mode enable busy urbanites to use it more easily and comfortably. Now, please enjoy a healthy and fresh life with Osborne's electrostatic potential therapy equipment through its easy-to-use remote controller. Water makes up 79% of our body. It is not just a simple quantitative element, but a material that is crucial to our lives, whose required amount should be maintained. Beyond its basic function, water must have various effects, including symptom improvement and treatment for people in their modern, complex, and stressful lives. And based on this need, various studies are being carried out in Korean universities and related associations. For water to play the role of functional water, its effectiveness in treating patients with certain diseases needs to be objectively acknowledged. Of the various types of functional water, the medical effects of alkaline reduced water on chronic diarrhea, indigestion, gastrointestinal abnormal fermentation, hyperacidity, etc., have long been recognized and were also acknowledged by the KFDA in 2008. Alkaline reduced water was developed through several experiments based on discovery by the Japanese scientist Suga in 1937. In his discovery, the scientist found out that during the process of water electrolysis, water was divided into alkaline and acid water. Since then, many scientists have let the world know about its effects and how to use it through various studies and clinical trials on alkaline water and acid water, and today it is called alkaline reduced water.
건강에 많은 관심들을 가지고 있습니다. 음식을 통해서 치유되지 않는 질병은 없다고 합니다. 그 중에서도 특히 최근에는 물의 많은 그 중요성들이 대두되고 있어요. 우리 몸에 좋은 물을 특히 기능수라고 하는데, 기능수 중에서도 대표적인 게 최근에 알칼리 천의 환원수가 있습니다. 우리 연구소에서는 알칼리 천의 환원수에 대해서 6년 정도 시일을 걸쳐서 연구 개발을 해왔습니다. 그 결과 알칼리 전해 환원수는 여러 가지 질병 증상 개선에 효과가 있었고 특히 소화불량, 만성 설사, 장내 이상 발효, 또 위산 과다에 형용 효과가 있었음을 식약청으로부터 인정을 받았습니다.
Osborne's alkaline ion water purifier is a device that generates a high-quality alkaline ionized water abundant in various minerals through electrolysis and was developed in 2003 through our differentiated technology. Since its release, it has been hugely popular among our customers. The electrolytic cells in alkaline ion water purifiers play a central role in determining the quality of alkaline ionized water by separating water into alkalinity and acidity. Osborne's alkaline ion water purifiers use septa directly imported from Gore-Tex Japan and 7 platinum titanium electrodes, generating a high-quality ionized water. Testing Osborne alkaline ionized water with reagent shows the disparate differences between alkaline ionized water and acid ionized water. Osborne has developed creative and ingenious alkaline ion water purifiers that outperform those of our competitors in a wide range of areas, including the generation of high-quality ionized water. Competing purifiers often overheat due to the limitation in power cover capacity and have the risk of malfunction due to their transformer methods. The SMPS power supply system and Osborne's unique excellent technology reduce operational thermogenesis, making the purifiers much more safe and economical. In addition, by adopting a new cleaning method that automatically switches the poles of electrode plates in electroplating, we have not only eliminated the cause of scale generation, but also make clean water discharge automatically, eliminating the inconvenience of the washing stage of previous models while enhancing durability. In addition, to eliminate the phenomena in which the amount of discharged water would be reduced or water would stop discharging, we adopted a PBT material that is harmless to the human body and that meets environmental regulatory standards. Finally, thanks to a one-touch sleek operating mode that uses touch panels rather than switch control buttons, Osborne's alkaline ion water purifiers are convenient to use.
몸에 좋은 물을 본다면은 우선은 알칼리성을 띌 수 있어야 된다는 것. 그러면은 우선 알칼리를 띈다는 것은 우리 몸에 들어가서 여러 가지 생화학적인 작용을 나타낼 수 있는 그런 조건을 갖추게 됩니다. 그래서 우리 몸에 활성산소를 제거하는 효소의 활성을 높인다든가, 그리고 알칼리성에 되면은 일반적으로 물의 클러스터가 이제 작아지는 경향을 나타냅니다. 클러스터가 작아진다는 것은 우리 몸에 들어가서 빠른 흡수, 그리고 이제 우리 몸을 이제 구석구석 또 순환을 하다가 또 우리 몸의 노폐물을 가지고 빠르게 배출할 수 있다는 것. 이제 그런 차원에서 보면은 또 좋은 물에 매우 중요한 조건이라 할 수 있겠습니다.
The third product that Osborne is best known for is an oxygen and hydrogen water device. To maintain good health, the most important thing other than water is air. Air can be called the source of energy within the body. Among the many studies that are being carried out on oxygenized water and hydrogen water, if you look at the paper of lead professor E.Q. Je from the Functional Water Research Team in Yonsei University Wonju College of Medicine on the effects of oxygenized water on the level of oxygen saturation in blood in December 2008, a comparison between the group that drank oxygenized water for a week and the control group that used water purified through a reverse osmotic method shows that oxygen in the blood increased while carbon dioxide in the blood decreased. Osborne's Dion Magic helps you choose high-quality oxygenized water or hydrogen water based on your taste or needs. Dion Magic is an upgraded device with a creative new concept. What makes the Osborne oxygen and hydrogen water device special is that it allows the user to drink water directly from the device with no water tank. Standing water is easily contaminated by various bacteria, but Osborne's Dion Magic generates oxygen water or hydrogen water that can be consumed after one press of the operation button, so you don't need to worry about contamination. In this way, you can enjoy clean, fresh, highly enriched oxygen and hydrogen water at any time. In addition, as the device has no water tank, you don't need to clean its interior. And as it operates only when needed, electricity consumption can be significantly reduced. The second reason why Osborne oxygen and hydrogen water device is special lies in its cold water line system, which is derived from the differentiated cooling method of Osborne. As the discharge water is frozen automatically right after coming out the line system without a cold water tank, you can enjoy cool, fresh oxygen and hydrogen water at any time. Since the late 1960s, doctors have used ultrasonic waves in treatments and detection tests. Since then, the development of ultrasonic wave application has been active, culminating in the creation of Eftm, which is regarded as the essence of the technology. Eftm easily decomposes fat in the belly, thighs, and hips using ultrasonic waves that are emitted at the rate of 1 million waves per second. It also acts as a facial skin, giving a massage and thermal effect and eliminating waste. First, the peeling device eliminates washing water, face oil, dust, and cosmetic residue through 30,000 vibrations a second and powerful evaporation effects, mitigates skin barriers by generating weak currents on the skin, and helps the active ingredients and nutritional elements of cosmetic reach inside the skin by the ion's electrical repulsion. In addition, the cooling massage device helps the skin restore its resistance and resilience by reducing the pores with ultrasonic massage. Starting now, Osborne's ultrasonic beauty equipment, Eftm, will create your beauty. Based on its ideas and technologies, Osborne is continuing to challenge to create new value. Our customers have been always at the starting point of our passion. By regularly awarding the branches and employees that provide the most excellent after-service, Osborne has been working hard to have all our employees think of customers first. As a part of these efforts, our company helps customers to visit our branches easily by launching them across the country. As well, our company is emerging as a global company through export contracts with many other countries and foreign branches. In the places where our customers need us for the health of our customers, our company will always be with our customers. Osborne's motto, Customers First, will ensure that we keep this promise no matter what.
급변하는 시대 흐름 속에서도 울스본 코리아는 새로운 가치와 독창적인 상품 개발을 위해 끊임없이 노력을 계속할 것입니다. 전 직원이 전 인류가 건강해지는 그날까지 사명감으로 하나 되어 고객의 믿음에 부응할 수 있도록 최선의 노력을 경주하겠습니다.
Osborne with integrity and a challenging spirit always. Osborne pursuing the best value with a creative spirit. Osborne moving to the future aggressively based on its history and technologies. Osborne's spectacular leap forward will start now.